Ripple effect. A ripple effect is a situation in which, like ripples expanding across the water when an object is dropped into it, an effect from an initial state can be followed outwards incrementally. The ripple effect is often used colloquially to mean a multiplier in macroeconomics. For example, an individual's reduction in spending reduces the incomes of others and their ability to spend. In sociology, the ripple effect can be observed in how social interactions can affect situations not directly related to the initial interaction, and in charitable activities where information can be disseminated and passed from community to broaden its impact. The concept has been applied in computer science within the field of software metrics as a complexity measure. Examples: the Weinstein effect and the rise of the Me Too movement. In October 2017, according to the New York Times and the New Yorker, dozens of women have accused American film producer Harvey Weinstein, former founder of Miramax Films and the Weinstein Company, of rape, sexual assault and sexual abuse for over a period of 3 decades. Shortly after over 80 accusations, Harvey was dismissed from his own company, expelled from the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences and other professional associations, and even retired from public view. The allegations against him results in the Weinstein effect, a global trend involving a serial number of sexual misconduct allegations towards other famous men in Hollywood such as Louis C.K. and Kevin Spacey. The effect led to the formation of the controversial Me Too movement, where people share their experiences of sexual harassment/assault.